Hello students, today we will revise the chapter 1 for class 8, that is crop production and management. So let's start. First is what is agriculture? That means the practice of growing crops and rearing animals to obtain food and some other desirable product is called agriculture. Next is what is crops? So crops, that means when the same kinds of plants that are grown on a large scale in the any field, and why? To obtain food. So that is called crops. Our next topic is the types of crops. So what are the different types of crops? Let's see. Actually three types of crops are there on the basis of the season. First is kharif crop, which is also known as rainy season crops. Next is rabi crops, which is called winter season crops, and third one is jade crops, which is also known as summer season crops. So what is kharif crops? Which is mainly grown at the beginning of the monsoon, that means around June and July, and harvested around September to October. Example paddy, soya bean, cotton. Next is rabi. Rabi, that is the winter crops which sown around November and December and harvested around March and April, and it require less water in comparison to kharif crops. Examples are pea, wheat. So these are the examples of the rabi crops. Next is jade crops, which require extensive heat, and it is mainly grown between rabi and kharif crops. Examples are all the vegetables and some fruits like watermelon, cucumber, etc. Crop is also classified, that means food crops and cash crops. So food crops, which is mainly grown for obtaining the food like wheat, rice, maize, fruits, vegetables, and cash crops, that means the crops which are mainly grown for commercial purposes, that means to earn money, like tea, cotton, jute, coffee. So these are the examples of cash crops. Next is the basic agriculture practices. So what are basic agriculture practices? The various tasks performed by farmer to obtain better crop. So all the practices, that is called basic agriculture practices, and it is mainly categorized in 7 steps. So let's see what are the various steps. First is preparation of soil. Next is sowing of seeds. Third is adding manures and fertilizers. Fourth is irrigation. Fifth is removal of weeds, and along with the weeds, that means some pest that also damage the crop, so removal of that also. Next is harvesting, and finally the last step, that is a storage of food grains. So let's see the first step, that is preparation of soil. So actually the first soil is prepared for sowing of seeds, and in preparation of soil it mainly includes 3 steps, and these are: first is plowing, second is leveling, and third one is manuring. One by one we will see about that. Actually we have discussed all these topics earlier, but this is the revision video, so that's again we are revising the same topic, so that you students, you may understand well and go through the topic very clearly, and that is for mainly exam, so that you can understand each and every topic very, that means clearly, no doubt should be there. Okay, thank you students. In the next video we will read about the plowing, labeling and manuring, and rest of the topic, that is sowing of seeds, adding manures and